but yeah, I don't think everybody knew. I ain't gonna say you have to, but you should put the lap wheel and the pin wheel on 0.
Yeah.
Do you hear this clunking over here? It's doing damage. Look at it, it's doing damage because it's not lined up.
Right.
Oh, I showed you that. It was kind of far off.
Yeah, not no more. The wrench is in, this slides right in, it's all even. Now we're going to use the scale to put it at 0 to make everything even. Alright, but you still have your full throttle on the lap wheel. You have full throttle that way and a full throttle this way.
Oh, sweet.
The scale does not stop it.
Is that like a cardboard?
I need it out of
Oh, a blanket. Cool.
I'm trying to stop the leak.
Right.
So, basically have
Dirty, it's leaking oil.
You're going to shim it up to 0. That's all it is.
Okay.
So they got some shims here
Oh,
to get you accurate.
right. Just
But
not
like
enough.
I said, this will not interfere with this throwing full length.
Right.
We
It's just
take it
gonna
out to 0.
move the pin a little bit. That's all it's gonna
So
do.
what was that, 2? We need to add about a 1/4 inch. We need to add about a 1/4 inch to this.
All right.
The washer will come with it and won't fall inside.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, I think I see what you're saying.
So we're going to leave that little bit of meat.
And then we can just kind of thread that on like a nut.
Yes. It's like
Okay.
a secure thing.
Neato.
Spiffy, huh?
That's pretty spiffy.
Actually, this is too thick.
Oh, really?
The original's twice as thin center.
Really? So that
So
would.
it raises the plate out higher than it should.
Ooh.
Okay.
It's actually easier to read like that.
Mm-hmm.
And try it just with the plate.
Yeah. You could try some silicone, seal it.
Yeah.
Because there ain't much to seal it.
No, just right on the edge.
Yeah, on the edge. I only got it to 1 though. You need to get it to 0.
So another washer just like it.
1. That's what it looks like. Let's see what happens when we hit the 0. There's your light.
Oh, sorry.
That's 0.
Really? That's pretty darn. It's a heck of a lot closer than it was. Oh yeah, that moved a lot.
You just jump. So put it at 1 and on the mark there.
Okay, cool. Yeah, yeah, it falls in. So it just has to be a 1 instead of 0.
We can go for the 0.
Just put another washer in?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that what you want to do? I mean, it's a lot closer right now.
At 1.
Yeah.
Where is it? 0. Pinocchio's in.
Yep. At least I think it is.
Yeah, Pinocchio's in. Yeah, see what's gonna happen is this. Watch me take this off. The plate's gonna stop it. So that is to be as far as that can go. Let's see how much more. See?
Oh, it's already right up against the plate, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Right. So
Get only not even a full turn.
no.
More. Yeah, it's not even a full turn. It's almost. You only lost a whole turn. And it's on negative. So I
Right.
don't know which way to run.
No, this is positive. This is or wait, yeah, this is lap. This is forward lap. And when it's in, that's a negative lap, reverse lap. And sometimes they need it to be real big like that too.
Run to 1. Put it to 1 before straight and collect.
Yeah.
For straight and collect, put it at 1.
Yeah, we could do that. I'll just get a magic marker. +1 for changeover.
Yeah. That's how they got it on.
Yep.
We can go through and set each molder.
Yeah, so if they have this on +1 and then they put it on the mark, then the Pinocchio should drop straight in.
Everything should change right over without even pushing the cylinder.
Yep.
Pinocchio must be still in.
Yeah.
There.
Pretty close.
Have money there.
Yep. Yes, sir. That's what we like. Yep. Can't ask for more than that. Cool. Good job, dude. That's nice.
That's lined up. Well, like I said, we need to write on here.
Yeah, just a +1 for changeover. Okay.